so I was over here looking at the makeup stuff, and I found this. Now look at this compared to my other lipstick that I use. Let's check this out. Y'all, this is packaged just like my Maybelline New York vinyl lip color. It's exactly the same. It's packaged exactly the same. It's wild. Anyways, and I wear this every day, so I have to try this. You guys, look. They've got the eyelash case with the mirror. They've also got the Madison Tyler hair clips. Look at these nails. Cute. These are cute, you guys. Okay, I was so excited to find the tinted lip balm. This is clear, and inside of it is a little like dried flower. They're really pretty. I was really excited to try this, and y'all definitely stick around because I'm going to show y'all this in just a second. Now, on down the aisle, I found this jade roller. It was boxed so nicely, like packaged really well. This would be such a great gift. I found one on Amazon, same with packaging and everything, $10 on Amazon. Grab yours at the Dollar Tree. Now, also, I found some setting spray. This was Le Mercier. I don't know. It sounded fancy, so I grabbed it. Found around the same thing on Amazon, $6. The Real Techniques eco-friendly sponges. These are pretty cool, okay? So one of them is for texture. I found it on Amazon, $6.19. The other one is for like exfoliating, and it was $7.19. So get yours at the Dollar Tree. Vitamin C serum. What about that from the Dollar Tree? Also, a primer. You just never know what Be Pure is fixing to come out with next. So grab the primer. Now, on down the aisle, I found the Cetaphil or Compare to Cetaphil foaming face wash and moisturizer, both of which were anywhere from $11 to $13 on Amazon, you guys. I was so excited. Okay, a little disclaimer before we start this video. I just want to let you guys know that I was a little under the weather while filming this video. I've been having some really bad sinus headaches and like drainage and whatever. So throughout the video, I may not look like I feel very good and I may not sound real great, but I still wanted to bring this video to you guys. I was feeling a little bit better today, so I thought that I would get up and try to make myself do this. But I really wanted to bring these items to you guys because I was just so excited about finding all this stuff at the Dollar Tree. I get so excited, you guys. I just get beside myself like a little kid or something. It's ridiculous. But anyway, so I just wanted to mention that before the video starts and let you guys know what was going on. So, all right, let's get right into it. You guys, I have hit the holy grail of facial stuff at the Dollar Tree. Oh my word. We are about to try out so many different things from the Dollar Tree. These are just a few of the things that I have in store for you. Now, these are going to be the more wash your face, moisturizing. I've got some sponges, some new sponges from the Dollar Tree. These are the Real Technique sponges, you guys. These are expensive. They are not $1.25 normally. And the moisturizer and also the gentle cleanser are both compared to Cetaphil. Cetaphil is not cheap either. I've got a very nice jade roller. Too nice. Comes in a box and everything. This would be a nice gift. I've also got some eyebrow razors that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to try this stuff out, show you guys how well it works, and we're going to go from there. All right, let's get going. Okay, so we're in my bathroom. We're going to try out the new Dollar Tree hidden gems that I have found that are like cosmetic, for your face, for makeup, for that type of stuff. I'm so excited about all of these. I've got a lot of the Be Pure brand items, and I'm so hopeful that they are going to be just as good as the originals. So anyways, let's get started. Compare to Cetaphil Gentle Cleansing Skin Cleanser. So this is the face wash. This is compared to Cetaphil. Real Techniques sponge. This is Purify and Exfoliate. Okay, so the way I wanted to do this, I'm just going to start out with the sponge first. using the Gentle Foaming Cleanser. This is supposed to be like the Cetaphil stuff, you guys. So that's kind of exciting because I think that's supposed to be some pretty good stuff. I mean, dermatologists recommend Cetaphil to patients with eczema. I know because my son was recommended Cetaphil years ago. This is super nice. It's got a little bit of it's not rough at all, but you can tell that it's going to exfoliate a little bit. And then the other side is very smooth. What I'm going to do first is give my face an initial wash because I still have makeup on. So I'm going to wash it with the cleanser first, just washing my makeup off. And then I'm going to go back and use the sponge because I don't want to ruin the sponge with like eye makeup and all that stuff because this is too nice. So that did get my makeup off really well. Now let me take off my eye makeup. Let's see how well it does that. Y'all, it's really runny. Let me show you. It's pretty runny, but if it works, it works, you know? It very nicely took off my eye makeup. They just look like that because I dyed them with that, with the Dollar Tree hair dye. If you've missed that video, go back a couple videos. I show you the Dollar Tree hair dye. I did do my eyebrows with it. Okay. Oh, it feels nice. Took all of my makeup off, you guys. Look at that. None. So it works very well at taking your makeup off. The cleanser, that's what I'm talking about. The cleanser works really well at taking your makeup off. The sponge is very nice for $1.25. I would not pay what Amazon wants for one of these. I don't think it's that fancy, but it is nice, especially for $1.25. And I am more than pleased over the cleanser. I was at first a little iffy because it was so runny. I was like, what in the world? This is not going to do anything. Guys, my face is clean. Clean as a whistle. It is clean. So anyways, let's keep going. Okay, so now that my face is nice and clean, I wanted to try out the eyebrow razor. I actually grabbed about 5 packs of these just because they are so, so good. They work really well. Can you guys see the eyebrow hairs? I'm just going to follow that line. I've got a scar right there, so I have to be kind of careful. Okay, looks better. Okay, so moving right along, I'm going to use this sponge to put on the vitamin C that I found at the Dollar Tree. I like this because it says Miracle Skincare Sponge enhances skin's natural glow for even makeup application. I mean, the idea is great, and like I'm sure those little knots and whatever gets the, you know, blood flowing, but I feel like so does this right here, and it's so much faster. You know what I mean? I don't know about that sponge. I liked the first sponge. I really liked the first sponge. I don't know about this one, you guys. I just don't really know. I get the idea, but I just don't know if it's worth it. So anyways, it takes up way too much time for me. I'm not going to take the time to do that every time I go to put on a serum or a toner or something, you know? Just not going to happen for me. I'm sorry. It's just not a go for me. Okay, up next, you guys, the Jade Roller. So this is nice. The packaging is nice. It's a good size. This would be so perfect as a little gift for a school teacher, or you know, like grab one of these and one of these and put this together in a little basket. This would be so cute for like a school teacher or a Sunday school teacher, the school bus driver. It's the end of the school year. Think about stuff like this that you could do that's so super cheap. That's $2.50 that you put together a quick little something for somebody that they will absolutely love. This came from the Dollar Tree, you guys. Dollar Tree. Anyways, and then when you open it up, not only is the packaging nice, you've got a little pamphlet. You open this part up. You've got the J roller and the little gua sha thing. So very cool. This is packaged so well, y'all. So well. I already know I'm gonna love it. Oh yeah. I like it. Last but not least, the moisturizing lotion from the Dollar Tree. This is compared to Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. Let's see. Okay. Not exactly runny. Nothing like the wash was. It doesn't really have a smell. I mean, it does, but it doesn't. Like, it's a clean smell, but it's not. It almost reminds me of, you remember like the ponds? That's kind of what it reminds me of. I've hit the jackpot with this. Seriously, go check this out. I'm going to give this an update like in a couple weeks. I'm going to use this for a couple weeks and just see if there's any change in my skin. I like this. It worked out really well for me. Okay, guys, so now for the makeup part of this. I have got several things here that I picked up at the Dollar Tree, of course, that I'm going to be using today while I do my makeup. I've got some primer. I've also got some setting spray. I've got a few different lipsticks that we're going to try out. I've also got some eyeshadows that I'm going to be using. And then I've got a little lash case. I love this. This right here is very cool. So let's do this. All right, guys, so for this portion of it, we're going to be doing the makeup. And I thought that we would try out the lipsticks first. I've got several different makeup items that I'm going to be using. Okay, so I pop out that first one, the one that was almost identical to what I use on a daily basis, which is the Maybelline Vinyl Ink. Anyways, it was a really pretty color. It was actually a, like, full lipstick. It wasn't a lip stain like my other one is. But it was a really pretty color, and it went on really nicely. It was soft on the lips. I liked it. If you like a natural color, this could be your color because it was really a pretty color. Okay, so I moved right along to the color changing lip balm. Now, it came in a little bitty, like almost pill-shaped container, but it was really pretty, you guys. It was clear, and then it had a little dried flower on the inside. It was super pretty, but it did nothing. I put it on, I waited a couple minutes, I kept rubbing my lips together, I tried to read the box, there were no directions, it did nothing. Now, the next one, the Lip Plumper by Ioni. Oh my word, absolutely love this. You guys, it is such a pretty color. It did plump, like it had a little bit of a tingling sensation to it. It wasn't really, it wasn't strong, but you could definitely tell that it was, you know, bringing some life to your lips for sure. I really love the color of this as well too. Okay, now that we've got the lipsticks over with, I wanted to start with the makeup. So I'm going to go in with the Rose Oil Primer. This is the new primer by Be Pure. Very cool. If this works, I'm excited because I love anything infused with rose, and I like the Be Pure brand. Like, I just like their stuff. So allow 1 to 2 minutes before applying foundation for primer to set. Remember that. It's very thin, very thin. We'll just have to see what my skin feels like after it dries good. because it's definitely super thin. It doesn't really smell like rose at all. Poor Dollar Tree. They kind of miss the mark when it comes to scents, don't they? Bless them. They need somebody in that department just for the scents. Just have a department just for scents. I'm offering myself, Dollar Tree. If you might happen to see this video, I would love to be there for you to just put out scents for you. Just make sure that things smell good and that they smell like what you say they're going to smell like. Poor Dollar Tree. Anyway, so that's the serum. Let it dry down. Not sticky or anything. I don't know if that's a good sign or not. We'll wait and see. Okay, so to save some time, I'm just going to go ahead and do the rest of my makeup except for my eyes, and we will do the eyeshadows together. So let me go ahead and throw on the rest of my stuff, and then we'll do the eyeshadow. All right, guys, my closing thoughts on all of these products. I love the eyeshadows. I couldn't really tell that the setting spray did anything. I mean, you could feel it when you put it on, obviously, and it dried down nicely, but it didn't really make my makeup last. I'll have to say that. But as for everything else, fantastic. Go to the Dollar Tree. Check this stuff out. Thank y'all so much for being with me, and y'all have a blessed day.